In this problem, we have to find 5-digit numbers which can be formed using 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. If you can see here, there are 2 3s and 2 2s. So I will write it as 2 3s and 2 2s. And 4 and 5 are again that is given as normally. Now we have to find a 5-digit number. So I will make a 5-digit box and it will goes like this. And if you can see here, there are total 6 numbers that we have. So out of 6 digit, we have to do the permutation of only 5 digit. But here the condition that is given as there are 2 3s, so we will divide it with 2 factorial, and there are 2 2s, so we have to divide it with 2 factorial. So we can write it like this, and the answer that you will get, that is equal to 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, and you will get the answer as equal to 6 5 4 3, and then we are dividing it with 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get the value as 2. 5 2s are 10, 6 3s are 80, and the answer that you will get, that is equal to 180.